I'm Peter Swift. I'm from Trout Run, Pennsylvania. I'm the director of Camp Susque. When you're a camp director, there's an expectation of a high-level activity. There's hiking, we have rock climbing walls. Those activities became very painful, and it was just very hard to do my job as I should.
He had fairly severe arthritis.
The imaging made it very obvious that my bones were grinding against each other.
With modern components, when patients need hip replacement, there's really not an age barrier.
The constant comment I would get from everybody is, "Oh, you're too young for a hip replacement." And my response was like, "What, should I just live in pain longer until I get it replaced?"
We're the only hospital in the area that does direct anterior approach for more than 90% of our total hips. Direct anterior approach is, instead of coming in through the muscles in the back of the hip, we come through the front of the hip, where there's a little bit less soft tissue we have to go through. With generally a little bit quicker recovery because there's less trauma to the soft tissues.
The surgery itself was very short. The recovery was very easy. I woke up feeling good and not in a lot of pain. Within hours of coming out of surgery, they had me walking up and down the hall, putting full weight on my new hip. I opted to stay overnight, was discharged the next day. Literally walking out of the hospital on a new hip and being able to use it immediately was a pretty tremendous thing for me. I was back to work the following day. It was incredible. I have 3 children, running around and playing with them again, and playing volleyball with my staff, or playing basketball with them, and doing all the things I used to love to do. I feel great.
Most rewarding thing is getting people up and getting them going and relieving their pain.
UPMC's right in my backyard. I'm familiar with a lot of the doctors and have had a lot of positive experiences with UPMC over the years, so it was not a hard decision to go with Dr. Bailey. Very knowledgeable, had a great plan of action. He was very helpful. I was able to get back in the game, within days, which is spectacular for me.